Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over some of the things that you might have missed out from last week, along with some of the new things coming up. So let's get started. First and foremost, we hope to see you at the Mobile Disrupt conference in Miami Beach. Visit our booths E15, E16, and explore what we prepared for you. Of course, this is tomorrow, July 8th and 9th, so we hope to see you there. We also have better prices on our pre-owned Galaxy A03s and A36 5Gs. So take a look at those grade A's, grade B's, so that you can have one more option to sell to your customers. Another exciting tool, the AY Face ID and battery data repair tool. They finally arrived, covering all the iPhones up through the iPhone 16 series. I'm sure I'll be making a video soon using this tool, so make sure you stay tuned for that, as it covers the infrared and Face ID repair board, going over the different Face ID repairs, battery data, and more. If you weren't already aware, we are now introducing our Ampsentrix Basic for the iPhone 16 series. As at some point, if you haven't seen already, you will need to be replacing the batteries on iPhone 16 Pro Maxes, 16 Pros, and the 16s as well. And if you missed out on last week's videos, I covered how to replace through-hole soldered flex cables. The video I showed was on an Apple Watch, but the same techniques apply to other devices as well, like iPads. Speaking of iPads, I also covered the start of diagnosing a completely dead iPad. And I'm still looking for some advice if you have some. So go and check out that video and see the questions that I had. We've got some new exciting things coming up. Again, hope to see you in Miami. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.